Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a review of the Hypercharge Pro. So the Hypercharge Pro is making waves in this year as a fast charging gadget that promises to boost your phone, tablet, or even laptop speed far beyond standard chargers. It's marketed as a compact, energy efficient, and capable of extending battery life by using smart technology to prevent overheating and overcharging. But does it really does the work, or is it just the hype? So, customer reviews are divided. Some users say it does charge devices noticeably faster and appreciate its sleek design, while others claim it performs no better than regular high watt chargers you can buy for much less. There's also little verified technical data or independent testing to back up the bold claims. So is it a scam? Not entirely, I can say. The product can work as a decent fast charger, but the marketing exaggerates its capabilities. If you're expecting a revolutionary boost, you may be disappointed, so weigh the cost against standard brand name chargers before buying.